Here is our 90-60-60 kit. So the parts are fairly basic. It's an evolution of our previous Highlander kit. The rear parts are staying the same as the spacers. And then in the front, it got Toyota's new generation strut, so it's a bit bigger. And we had a different sway bar link set up here. This is 2-inch in the front and 2-inch in the rear. Despite the parts being different heights, is because there's a mechanical advantage in the rear. It's been a fairly popular kit. There's not much in the way of troubleshooting that goes on. Some people don't understand that the sway bar link bracket is to make the sway bar virtually shorter. Other than that, we get very few calls about this kit. You can go to a larger tire, of course, and installation should take you about 4 hours, and you'll need to get an alignment once you're done. As always, lifting a vehicle changes the toe, and the toe is the primary tire wear angle, so you'll want to make sure you take care of that. These are normally in stock, though sometimes we get a run on them, and it may take a few days to ship. But we make it all in-house with our own laser cutters and robots.